kidnapped.
He was taken right from his sleep.
Without warrant of arrest.
We understand he's in Abuja.
Sowore
does not deserve to be kept anywhere than to be wherever he wants to be.
Yes.
Showore's fundamental human rights
Yes.
being denied by the Buhari government. And we are saying no to this.
No.
We are in front of the United Nations.
Yes.
We are demanding that the rest of the world listen
Yes.
and see what's going on in Nigeria. Nigeria is under siege. The incompetent government in Nigeria is destroying the collective destiny of Nigerians.
That's correct.
And we are saying enough is enough.
Enough is enough.
Sowore is demanding that an egalitarian society where justice and equity should prevail.
Yes.
Is actually the cardinal demand he's making. And he has there's no reason for anyone to lock him up.
Yes.
Sowore is a freedom fighter. Sowore is a journalist. Sowore is a political activist.
Yes.
Sowore is demanding good governance. And Nigerians must rise up. Nigerians must come out collectively to demand that Sowore be released. The rest of the world should say the same thing. And we are going to engage the American government, European Union, and we are demanding on the platform of the world, the United Nations, to come all out and demand that sanity must prevail in Nigeria.
Yes.
There are no roads, there are no infrastructure,
No education.
there's unemployment. The medical tourism Buhari engages in, average Nigerian cannot afford it.
That's correct.
So, and it's just not fair for you to use Nigerian resources to take care of yourself and your family, and Nigerians are left in the hands of quack doctors in Nigeria. We keep seeing the recycling of failed politicians as ministers in Nigeria. We are not hopeful that anything can come in Nigeria except we free and demand for our freedom.
Yes.
So free Sowore
now.
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 Nigerians say no to injustice.
Yes.
Nigerians say no to bondage.
Yes.
Nigerians want freedom.
Yes.
And Sowore speaks for the vast majority of us.
Yes.
So we can understand a government that want to continue to mistreat the citizens.
Yes.
Sowore is a good citizen. He does not deserve to be picked up. He does not deserve to be arrested. If he's arrested, he deserves justice.
Yes.
So we are saying he who wants equity must come with equity. And for Nigerians, we want freedom for Sowore.
Free Sowore
now.
Free Sowore
now.
Freedom of speech is the right of every citizen of Nigeria.
Protest.
And freedom to protest is the right of every citizen of Nigeria because it's embedded in our constitution. So Sowore has not done anything wrong. He's expressing his human rights. And we have the right to complain about the injustice that is going on in Nigeria.
That's correct.
We have the right to say no to misrule, to say no to corruption, to say no to tyranny. We have the right to say no to every evil activity that is going on in Nigeria. You cannot move from north to the south, the south to the east. Nigeria must be free. We have to free Sowore. Sowore is expressing his human right, his speech his right to speech and protest. Right now, we want him to be unconditionally released and be safely given back to his family. This is what we ask for right now. Free Sowore now. Free Sowore now. Free Sowore now. Free Sowore now.
Sowore must be free.
We are here as a unit and as a embodiment of Nigeria. Nigeria cannot continue the way it's going.
Yes.
We have done everything we are able to do so that peace will be in Nigeria, but the political class have refused. The elites have refused. Nigeria is a failed nation where there is no freedom of speech, no freedom of religion, no freedom of anything.
Yes.
So Sowore just made a statement which he has right to, and they abducted him and kidnapped him and arrested him. Now, I am very happy that what has been covered is now uncovered. Nigeria has come to the point where they have understood that it's no longer between him and him.
Yes.
It's no longer between any race and any race. It's no longer between any language and any language. No dichotomy, no religion. It is a national issue, and we are here to determine it. If it has to go from here to all nooks and crannies of Africa, Nigeria, even in the United States. This is the United Nations. We've been to the Nigerian consulate. Each and every one of them around the world are getting involved with what is happening in Nigeria. And I want to say to you that except the leadership does something now and fast, They are going to regret their action. They are going to regret what they've done. Nigeria is sitting on the keg of gunpowder, except they allow it and settle it and erase it. It's going to blow up, and when it blows up, it's not going to consume any of these ones. It's going to consume them, it's going to consume their families, it's going to consume everything that built and stolen from Nigeria. Now is the time for them to realize their mistakes and come to terms. Nigeria must be restructured, not in any dichotomical way, but not in ambiguity. Nigeria will be restructured in areas of health, restructured in areas of education, restructured in areas of security, restructured in our constitution, in education, in all ramifications.
In infrastructure.
Our constitution is no constitution. It is something that was put together and given to us by the military. We have to come together and decide how we want to run Nigeria. And except they do that, Nigeria will collapse. But I thank God that we have all realized that it is not between individuals, it's not between religious sects, it's not between anybody. It's about the political class, the elite, and those that have kept Nigeria in bondage. But their time is up.
Greatest Nigerian people, greatest Nigerian people, it is very clear, it is utterly clear that this is injustice on children. This is injustice on every one of us. If you are still there standing on the fence, you better join us now. We are calling the attention of the whole world. We are in front of United